Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women earring designs, different color designs, combinations also in front of you. You can see different colors like black, blue, red, yellow, green, purple, pink, brown, gray, white, off-white, and others also. So, dear friends, most attractive and amazing collection for beautiful ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. So, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful collection, you can contact me on my number and on my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every beautiful crochet material like this crochet woman earring designs and others also like crochet baby frog designs, baby romper designs, baby scarf designs, baby boot designs, cap designs, woman cap designs, men cap designs, short gloves, long gloves, fingerless gloves and others like crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, leg warmer, neck warmer, long dresses, short dresses, bodycon, cap shawl, caplet, poncho, circular jacket designs, and in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, finger ring designs, bracelet designs, and fit jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and others. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, try this collection. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection and please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.